I don't know if you have swiped it. Buy yourself a 1000 3D printer. You can print and color the figures at home. Does Macy think this is good? Is it really that simple? That's for sure not available. As I studied further, I found that there are too many problems here. Select from the printer. Drawing printing. Sending. Coloring 5 directions to talk about the problems I encountered. The first is the types of home printers. 2 types of FDM and light curing. Needless to say, the details. You understand that it is troublesome to prepare for light curing. The effect is good, and the post-processing is simple. FDM preparation is simple. The effect is average. Post-processing trouble. And during the 2 printing processes, there will be all kinds of problems, such as FDM plugs, choice of platform, selection of photocurable materials, parameter selection are important. Sometimes you have the elation to look at what you print. The result is a blob of hemp. And then the blueprints. The drawings are the most important. The drawings are like this. If you download it, you will be in trouble. You draw it yourself. You don't learn systematically. You can't draw well for half a year. No matter what machine you have, it needs to be polished. FDM hard to polish. Light curing is simple, but the size of light curing is generally very small. If you use the downloaded drawings, how do you take it apart? How to spell it is a problem, and it's not a small problem. Paint coloring requires an airbrush pump to spray the environment. Paint is divided into water and oil. It's nothing to say. I bought everything. Haven't used it much. Stamped in front. So here's my summary. If you want to make something better, develop this thing for a long time. You first learn the knowledge of drawing. Don't buy prints as soon as you come up. Machine if you are just playing. Don't buy a printer. Go directly to buy the assembly toy you are interested in. Post-processing and coloring by yourself. Much less time and labor than when you 3D print. 3D printing is really not that simple. It's not just about spending more than 1000 to buy a printer.